Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are talking about something that no one really talks about until it is too late. So let's say one day you're sitting in your office deploying a few virtual machines, and then your CFO calls you in wondering or asking you, why is your cloud spending more than payroll? So this is where FinOps comes in. And no, it is not just for finance people in suits, it's actually something that every engineer, startup founder, tech team should know about. So, FinOps, which is short for financial operations or cloud financial operations, is the art of not getting destroyed by your cloud spending. So it's not just about cutting costs, but actually it's about knowing where your money is going in the cloud and making smart decisions about it. Now here's the problem. The cloud is sneaky. It's like you pay per second, per gigabyte, per request, and unless you're watching it like a hawk, it could get out of control real fast. You leave a few instances running and that's $300, $500, $1,000. Someone could forget their Kubernetes clusters running and there goes your budget. So FinOps is how teams start asking, what are we spending our money on? Do we need this right now? And could we do this smarter or cheaper? So it's kind of like DevOps, but for money. Engineers, finance people, product teams, all working together to make smart trade-offs between cost, speed, and quality, and this is known as the FinOps triangle. Now there's kind of a three-step loop that teams follow in FinOps. It's real simple. We've got inform phase, we've got the optimize phase, and we've got the operate phase. Now in the inform phase, everyone gets visibility, like real dashboards, not spreadsheets from 2 weeks ago. And in the optimize phase, you start saving. You could use spot instances, auto scaling, and kill idle resources. Now in the operate phase, everyone starts caring about costs, not just finance teams. So you build a culture around it. And once teams start doing this, it is wild. I have seen companies save tens of thousands just by tagging stuff properly or switching from on-demand to reserved instances. So there's no crazy changes here, just awareness. Now, if you're watching this, you might be an engineer who has been tasked or has been asked to watch the cloud bill, or a solo dev who's been running workloads for a SaaS app, or maybe you're just curious about cloud servers, or maybe you're just curious about cloud careers. Either way, FinOps matters. FinOps is going to be huge over the next years. Remember, it is not just about being cost efficient, but about being cloud smart. So yeah, that's what FinOps is. It's not a tool, it's not a product, but a mindset, a practice, and honestly, it's a lifesaver if you're building stuff in the cloud. If this video helped, hit that like and maybe subscribe button. If you're into cloud, tech, and remote jobs, and if you want to learn more about cloud stuff, links to my cloud courses are down below in the description.